This dashboard you're seeing right now is real money earned from the Poppo app, not theory, not screenshot from the internet. And the truth is, most people on Poppo are doing it wrong. Yes, they're doing it wrong. Thank God that you found this video right now. If you want to earn this same amount with guidance, watch, and putting you through, what you just need to do right now is stay to this video till the end and watch this full video, because I'll be putting the final breakdown of the withdrawal from this, the bigger amount, not this one you're seeing right now. Okay, so now welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is Mindzone TV, where we break down real online income opportunities that actually work. Yes, we have a lot of surveys that we've done this year back to back, and today I'll be showing you how life pays. Yes, how people earn daily, not just monthly, I mean daily, back to back. Most important things here is how you can join our agency and also get full support to reach this level very fast. Yes, very fast. If you can only stick to this video right now to the end and learn how, we'll teach you how you can get to this stage, not just signing your account. All right, so Poppo is a live streaming app where users and money through live stream, gift from viewers, view from engagement, daily and weekly tasks that they do on the app, and also agencies bonus also. Yeah, so that's why you need to have a good coach. Yeah, thank God you already have one speaking to you right now. So all you just have to do now is just go to the description below and get the link there, and then you join the community. But here is the key thing nobody tells you: your earning depends on heavily on whether you are under a good agency. Yes, is either you're in a good agency or not. Okay, but thank God you just found a good agency right now, which is Mindzone TV. Don't hesitate right now, and then rush down to the comment section and type in "I need to join your agency to succeed on Poppo," and then we'll help you out from there also. So once you register your account, what you just have to do now is to do your face verification, which is important. But let me give you a quick tip here. So before registering your account, you use your email account, yes, your Google account, to create the account. All right, so on that email account, make sure you upload an image of yourself, a clear vivid image that's not blurred. Yeah, okay, that's a quick tip. So now that you're seeing here, this is how to join the agency. You go to the description below, you pick the ID, and then you come over to this place and put the ID here. All right, okay, so in getting on this place on your dashboard, yeah, you scroll down to where you see my agency. That's my agency. That's where you copy the agency ID. I'll be leaving in the description below, and you paste it there, and automatically you've successfully joined the agency, and then you get this congratulation icon like you're seeing on my screen right now. Okay, all right, so this is my account now. All you just need is a correct setup, the proper guidance, understanding Poppo system, and begin under the right agency structure. If you try this alone, you will not succeed, you will struggle. I have seen it happen too many times. Yeah, so I don't want it to happen to you also. So let's work together, because most users fail because they don't know what time to go live, they don't know what the Poppo algorithm look like, they don't even know how to attract gift tags, they have zero mentorship. That's exactly what I created my Poppo agency support system for. So when you join my agency, you get step-by-step onboarding, daily guidance on how to go live, support to grow faster, strategies to earn consistently every day. Yes, helping tips on Poppo, target the bonuses. My goal is simple, is to help you earn, not just signing up your account. This is where you do your face verification. Okay, so once you come to that authent on your dashboard, you see this place here to do your face verification. Who this is for? This is for you are tired of guessing online, you want a legit app that pays you, you are ready to follow instruction, you want result, not excuses. If that's you, then listen carefully. Check the description or the pinned comment right now. Join Poppo using the link there you see, and also message me immediately to be added to the agency. Don't delay opportunity like this. Reward early and serious people. I will see you inside. Oh, I won't forget, like I said, I have not even tell you to subscribe because I want you to earn. Yes, okay, just do me that favor right now and hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. All right, see you in our next video.